Everybody is worried about one question right now. What jobs will AI replace first? So we decided to ask 6 of the world's top AI systems: chatgpt, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, Copilot, and Grok. What are the top 5 jobs AI will replace in 2026? And honestly, there was not complete consensus. Once we got past the top 3, the answers started to become very different. But the top 3, almost every AI agreed on them. So keep watching till the end, because these jobs are most probably gone by 2026. Because these are the jobs all the AIs think are in serious danger. And the pattern, it was fascinating. The highest risk jobs were usually repetitive, rules-based, digital, structured, high volume, low context, and low accountability. In short, if your work is predictable, AI is coming for it fast. So here is the top 10 reversed ranked list of jobs that are about to disappear in 2026. At number 10, we've got translation and subtitling. AI can now translate, dub, subtitle, and even lip sync videos automatically. At number 9, bookkeeping and payroll clerks. AI accounting tools now process invoices, they reconcile expenses, and run payroll automatically. At number 8 are those QA testers. AI now generates test cases, it simulates users, it can detect bugs, and automate repetitive testing workflows. At number 7, we've got legal research and paralegal work. AI legal systems now review contracts, they summarize cases, and analyze documents, all in seconds. Number 6, administrative assistants. Scheduling, email, meeting summaries, and coordination workflows are increasingly becoming automated. At number 5, generic content writers. The ones that do the SEO blogs, product descriptions, social captions, and repetitive marketing content. They are now all heavily AI generated. At number 4, you've got junior analyst and report builders. AI now creates dashboard, it summarizes trends, it can generate charts, and it writes reports automatically. And now, the list that you've been waiting for. The top 3 jobs that almost every AI agreed were in serious danger. At number 3, you've got junior software developers. AI coding tools now generate code, they debug, they refactor, and they build simple applications rapidly. And at number 2, you've got data entry and back office operations. This appeared on every single list. AI is extremely good at repetitive digital workflow, filling up forms, invoices, CRM updates, and documentation, any kind of structured processing. And the number 1 job that all the AIs agreed is the highest risk in 2026 is customer support and call centers. AI voice agents and chatbots now handle refunds, they do troubleshooting, they do account updates, they do order tracking, FAQs. They run 24/7 at near zero cost. But here are also some other jobs that are at risk that have started emerging repeatedly across the AI list. Watch out for content moderators, junior graphic designers, recruiters and resume screeners, compliance and routine audit review roles, receptionists, and front desk coordinators. And what was the biggest insight from all the 6 AI systems? AI is not replacing senior experts first. It is compressing entry-level work, apprenticeship roles, repetitive cognitive labor, and execution-heavy white-collar work. The future is not humans versus AI. It is smaller teams with humans supervising AI systems instead of doing the repetitive execution themselves. If your job is at risk, definitely start reskilling, because AI is not going away.